Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, October 18th, 2024.
We're thrilled to begin this week's episode by honoring September Los Al USD Rockstars of the Month. This initiative was created to celebrate and honor the exceptional contributions made by our employees. Our certificated Rockstar of the Month is Jen Ramirez, LAHS Cheer and Song Coach, and our classified Rockstar of the Month is Heather Sherrill, Administrative Assistant to the Special Education Department. Congrats to both Jen and Heather. This week, our 6th through 12th grade math teachers participated in a professional learning session on teacher clarity with Dr. Michael McDowell. Dr. McDowell is a leading voice in education, known for his expertise in making clear and effective instruction. We're excited for the impact this will have in our classrooms. In high school news, students from the LAHS Life Skills class and Advanced Art students came together for a special watercolor painting session. This collaboration highlighted the beauty of art bringing all abilities together. The students painted beautiful sketches of areas around the LAHS campus, which were also sketched by various advanced art students. In middle school news, McAuliffe ASB students organized a pink store this Friday, featuring an array of pink items such as donuts, candy, pencils, scrunchies, sunglasses, and more. This initiative was designed to promote awareness for breast cancer research, and all proceeds will be donated to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. And finally, the district joined others from across the nation this week wearing bright orange shirts to take a stand against bullying during National Unity Day. Unity Day is an annual event that promotes joining together to create healthier communities through kindness, acceptance of difference, and inclusion. We'd like to send a big shout out to our wellness counselors and student leaders for organizing activities that promoted inclusion, including signing pledges that said boo to bullying. Well, that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.